The Canada Revenue Agency uses security code notifications as an important part of their digital security measures, especially with increasing cyber threats targeting taxpayers. Security code emails are automatically triggered in several specific situations. These include when you attempt to log into your CRA My account, when accessing sensitive tax information, or when making changes to your personal details. They're also sent when you request official documents from the CRA, or when the system detects unusual login patterns that might indicate unauthorized access attempts. Legitimate CRA security code emails have several distinct characteristics that help you identify them as authentic communications from the Canada Revenue Agency. First, they always come from the official CRA domain at cra-arc.gc.ca. The email will contain a 6 to 8-digit numerical security code that expires within exactly 15 minutes for security purposes. Legitimate emails will always display official CRA branding and formatting. And importantly, they never use urgent or alarming language to pressure you into immediate action. Remember these key security features when you receive a CRA security code notification. The 15-minute expiration time, official government domain, numerical code format, and professional branding all work together to ensure your account's security while providing legitimate access to CRA services. When you receive a CRA security code email, following proper verification steps is crucial for your security. Here's how to respond safely to legitimate notifications. First, verify that the sender's email address is correct. Legitimate CRA emails always come from addresses ending in @cra.gc.ca. Check that you recently attempted to log into your CRA account. Use the security code promptly within the 15-minute time window. Never share this code with anyone. Not even CRA staff will ask for it over the phone. After completing your session, always log out completely from your CRA account. This prevents unauthorized access if someone else uses your device. Not all emails claiming to be from the CRA are legitimate. Here are the key red flags that indicate a fraudulent email attempting to steal your personal information. Be suspicious of emails with non-government sender addresses, urgent language demanding immediate action, or requests for personal information beyond just the security code. This example shows a typical phishing email with multiple warning signs. Notice the suspicious sender address, urgent deadline language, and request to click a link. If you receive a suspicious email claiming to be from the CRA, here's exactly what you should do to protect yourself and help others avoid the same scam. Never click any links in suspicious emails. Instead, report the fraud to the CRA through their official reporting system, delete the email immediately, and monitor your accounts for unusual activity. Remember, the CRA will never ask for personal information like passwords, credit card numbers, or banking details through email. When in doubt, contact them directly using official phone numbers. Prevention is your best defense against fraud. Here are essential practices to keep your CRA account secure and reduce your risk of falling victim to scams. Keep your email address updated with the CRA. Use strong, unique passwords and enable additional security features when available. Stay informed about current scam trends by following official CRA communications. By following these safety guidelines, you can confidently use CRA online services while protecting yourself from fraud. Remember, when in doubt, verify directly with the CRA using their official contact methods.